we're standout player Shaquan Satchwell, one of the players of the season. First of all, you made it this far. Congrats on getting to the finals. But how are you feeling right now?
Can't even. There's no feeling right now. I don't even know how I feel.
You had a good game and you came this close, you know. What were your thoughts coming into today's game? How confident were you?
I was very confident, 100%, that I would come and do this for my team and bring it home to stop.
You guys went down early, right? But you continued fighting until you got the goal. How did it feel when you scored that goal?
I feel like every pressure was off. I feel very good.
And going into the penalty shootout, were you nervous considering that you'd have lost in penalties only last week?
No, never nervous when I kick in penalty.
And when Jaheim Williams made that first save, how did you feel at that point?
I feel very, very good. But unfortunately, we did.
And what would you tell those two players that missed penalties today?
Lift them head high, that's all.
So some of your teammates, you know, would have been hard on them. What would you say to the teammates that are hard on the people who missed the penalty?
It's just life.
And is this the last year of the Manning Cup?
Yes.
Alright, so what can we expect from Shaquan Satchwell going forward?
A lot. No.
Alright, so more football though.
Yeah, more football.
Alright, once again, good season again and congrats. Better luck next time, bro.
Yes.